Unraveling the phrase, calling the hounds. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're going to explore a rather intriguing phrase, calling the hounds. Whether you're an English language learner or just someone interested in the nuances of phrases, this video is tailored for you. Let's decode its meaning, origin, and how you can use it in everyday conversation. Calling the hounds is a phrase that conjures up vivid imagery. At its most literal, it refers to the act of summoning hunting dogs, usually with a whistle or a shout, to begin a hunt. This imagery is deeply rooted in hunting traditions, where hunters would call their hounds to chase after game. However, in a more figurative sense, this phrase can be used to describe the act of mobilizing a group to pursue a common goal or target, often with enthusiasm or urgency. Understanding the origin of calling the hounds takes us back to hunting practices, particularly those involving fox hunting in England and other forms of hunting where dogs play a central role. The phrase captures the moment the hunt begins in earnest, symbolizing not just the pursuit of game but also the camaraderie and excitement of the hunt. Over time, this phrase has evolved beyond its literal meaning to convey the idea of rallying people towards a cause or action. You might wonder how a phrase with such specific origins can fit into modern conversation. Calling the hounds can be quite versatile. Here are a few examples. Mobilizing a team. As the project deadline approached, the manager was calling the hounds, getting everyone focused and energized. Encouraging action. With the community facing unprecedented challenges, it was time for the leaders to start calling the hounds. The phrase adds a layer of drama and urgency to the call to action, making it a powerful tool in both spoken and written English. Calling the hounds is more than just a call to action. It's a call to unity, passion, and pursuit. Whether you're rallying a team, encouraging community action, or simply fascinated by the colorful expressions of the English language, this phrase offers a rich tapestry of imagery and meaning. We hope this exploration has enriched your understanding and appreciation of English. Remember, language is not just a tool for communication, it's an art form, full of history and life. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video. Remember, exploring the depths of the English language opens up new ways of thinking and expressing. Keep learning, keep exploring, and let's keep calling the hounds in our journey of language discovery.